Hey, this is Adam Huxama from ProjectionHub. I'm going to show you in this video how to remove portions of your ProjectionHub financial projection template that you don't need without breaking the template. So oftentimes we get this question where somebody buys a template and then says, hey, I don't need this particular section, and they just delete it. And then they reach out to support because when they deleted it, it created a bunch of errors in the model. So what you'll want to do is not delete sections, but hide them. And so I'm going to show you here how to hide a section that you don't need. So for example, I'm in our B2B enterprise SaaS template here as an example. And let's say we don't have any sales team representatives for our SaaS business here. And so I don't want to show this sales rep section here. So what I would do, first of all, is sections that you're not going to use, you want to put zeros in any of those assumption fields. So before you hide it, just to make sure that it's not actually impacting your projection. So when I put in zeros for the number of sales reps, that did the trick for this. But if you wanted to be extra safe, you could just put zeros in for all blue highlighted sections that you're going to change. And we'll just put in 0 for our conversion rate and our growth rate as well. And then what you can do is just now highlight the section. So right and hold down the mouse while you're highlighting a section, and then right click in there and click hide. And so there you go. That section of your template is hidden. And because it's hidden, you can always get it back. If you decide to add a sales team later, it's not deleted. It's much harder to add things back in once they've been deleted. So if you find yourself in a situation where you have deleted a section, I'd often recommend that if you're having trouble, you deleted it and it's creating some errors, probably your best bet is to go back and download a fresh copy of your template and start with that. And then going forward, just make sure that you're zeroing things out and then hiding them instead. So hope that helps. Thanks.